Hello, my name is Ryan Clark, and the following will be a marketing proposal for the online simulation marketplace Live. Horizons has entered a new world of opportunity. We have entered the personal computer market with a specific intent to market our products towards business professionals. Market research shows that these professionals are interested in 5 major product groups to meet their individual needs. These groups are the cost cutter, workhorse, traveler, innovator, and Mercedes segments. Each segment provides ample opportunity for profitable operations, but due to limited initial product development and resources, we began operations in only 2 segments. The global market is divided into 3 regions: the North America, Latin America region, or Americas, the Europe, Middle East, Africa region, or EMEA, and the Asia Pacific region, or APAC. We will begin operations in the North America, Latin America region with sales offices in Toronto and Chicago. The first 2 segments that Horizons has chosen to enter are the Innovator and Workhorse segments. We decided to enter the market in a way that maximized our limited resources as well as our production cost to profit ratio. Market research had shown that consumers were willing to pay the most for Innovator computers in Chicago and Toronto and the most for Workhorse in Toronto. In addition to the higher price point available to us, the potential demand for both segments was at its highest in the selected regions. Maximizing profits and focusing resources is the primary goal of Horizons, and through the chosen avenues, we believe we can achieve just that. Upon completion of the 3rd quarter of operations, sales figures and market research showed that we had developed 2 products that were appealing to our intended customer base. Amongst our competitors in the market, we showed the highest overall performance, and our market share was tied for first place in the personal computer market at 33%. After reviewing competitor infographics regarding the products they had developed and the locations that they were marketing said products, our team decided to design a new computer to compete in the Traveler segment. No other firm had designed a quality Traveler computer at this point, and by entering the market early on, a large portion of the market share was ours for the taking. Additionally, revisions to our current Workhorse brand were made to better align with customer use patterns. During the 4th quarter, Horizons determined it would be advisable to open a new sales office in Warsaw, which is part of the EMEA region. Only operating in one region, Horizons would miss out on a large portion of the available global market share. Demand and pricing forecasts showed that Warsaw was a market that had minimal startup costs, had a high potential demand, and would be the sole workhorse computer in the market, making it one of the most appealing regions in the entire world. In order to remain competitive in the computer industry, constantly researching and developing new components and accessories is of the utmost importance. Up until this point, the technology available to us and our competitors has not been of high enough quality to produce a quality Mercedes segment computer. With the successes we've had so far, it was essential that we invested in the research and development of the necessary components to build such a computer in order to capitalize on a major gap in the market. Additionally, in order to maximize the utility of our new product, new sales offices in Shanghai and Abu Dhabi were slated for opening in the 6th quarter. These new openings would make our Mercedes computer available in 4 of the top 5 markets in regards to potential demand. While earnings dropped significantly in the 6th and 7th quarters, this was namely due to the fact that we were still responding to the massive investment into 3 new sales offices, as well as the research and development for the most expensive computer on the market. However, by continuing forward with our current approach with a more modest advertising budget, we will be able to maximize our growth in a more efficient manner. Additionally, Tokyo and Sydney are both cities that currently only have one firm in operation. If we were to enter those markets moving forward, I believe that our main competitor, Rise, will have to relinquish some of their dominant market share in those regions.